In this video, we will be replacing the gear oil in the rear drive module of this 2019 Jeep Compass. To prep this vehicle, I have backed the vehicle onto Rhino ramps. I have wheel chocks on the front tires, and I have safety stands in place just in case the Rhino ramps fail. And if we take a look from the rear of the vehicle, we can see that rear drive module unit. And if we take a little bit of a side view of that, we can clearly see our fill plug and our drain plug. We want to start by loosening the fill plug, and we want to do this because if we take the drain plug out and we can't get the fill plug out, then there's no way to fill it back up. And we will want some type of a catch container. I am using one that I can measure the amount of fluid that comes out. And this does take 1.3 pints of Amsoil Severe Gear 75W90 gear lube. And we're going to let this drain for a while. And we do want to inspect that oil plug. There is a magnet on the end of it that needs cleaned off. And we can see the volume of buildup. And we can apply just a little bit of thread tape to that drain plug and reinstall that on the vehicle. And as I look back at the video, I do notice that there is a crush washer that is stuck up inside of there. This may be an item you want to replace. And we'll tighten that plug to 26 foot-pounds. If I take a look at the amount of fluid I removed, it does look like I am at about 1.5 pints. And that would make sense because this does hold 1.3 pints. If I look at the color, it is dark, but I am not seeing metal particles floating around, which is a good sign. And we'll do a quick inspection of that fill plug, which it does look to be in good condition still. And we can then install 1.3 quarts of our Amsoil Severe Gear 75W90. And actually we're going to put as much as we can in there until it starts coming out of the fill hole. And as I was filling this, I did notice that there is a brass washer. I'll make sure to reinstall that along with the plug. And I believe it is typically recommended to replace that crush washer at the time of this service. And we will do 26 foot-pounds on that fill plug also. And finish with a little bit of cleanup. And this repair is complete.